Ever wonder why your baked goods don't turn out perfectly every time? Fire emoji. Today, we're exploring the top 7 best rated oven thermometers that guarantee precise temperatures and flawless results. Welcome to the channel. Stick around to find your perfect thermometer, and grab yours through the links in the description below for stress-free, perfect baking every time. At number 7 is ThermoPro Digital Meat Thermometer. Ever wonder why your roasts or grilled meats don't turn out perfectly every time? The ThermoPro Digital Meat Thermometer for cooking and grilling might just solve that problem, and it's a must-see for anyone serious about cooking. Many home cooks rely on guesswork or appliance readings that are often inaccurate. Undercooked or overcooked meals happen more than we like to admit. This thermometer delivers precise, instant temperature readings, giving you confidence every time. Fast readings, easy-to-read digital display, and a waterproof probe make it faster, more reliable, and versatile for both oven and grill compared to analog or single-function models. Pros include accurate, quick, durable, and convenient use, while the con is that it requires battery replacement. For perfect cooking results and peace of mind, this is a smart, confident choice for your kitchen toolkit. On number 6 is Sluswallow Grill Fry Oven. Ever struggled with undercooked or overcooked meals despite following recipes to the letter? The Sluswallow Oven Grill Fry Chef Smoker Thermometer Instant Read Stainless Steel could completely change your kitchen game. Many home cooks rely on oven dials or guesswork, leading to uneven results. This instant read thermometer gives precise temperature readings in seconds, perfect for grilling, baking, roasting, and smoking. Stainless steel build, fast, accurate, and durable performance offers versatility across ovens, grills, and smokers, outperforming digital-only models in adaptability. Pros include instant read, accurate, versatile, and durable use, while the con is that careful storage is needed to avoid bending the probe. For reliable results, confidence, and peace of mind in every cook, this is a smart, must-have choice. At number 5 is KT Thermo Analog Thermometer. Ever wondered why your roasts or smoked meats never hit the perfect temperature? The KT Thermo Oven Grill Smoker Analog Thermometer might be the solution you've been searching for. Many home cooks struggle with unreliable oven readings or guesswork, leading to undercooked or overdone meals. This analog thermometer delivers consistent, visible temperature readings, no batteries required. Durable stainless steel, easy-to-read dial, and suitability for ovens, grills, and smokers make it dependable for long cooking sessions. Pros include durable, simple, no batteries needed, and versatile use, while the con is slightly slower response than digital units. For reliable, low-maintenance performance and peace of mind, this is a smart, confident choice for serious home cooks. At number 4 is TempPro Large LCD. Ever wondered why your smoked meats or oven-roasted dishes don't turn out perfectly even when you follow the recipe? The TempPro Large LCD Digital Cooking Food Meat Thermometer for Smoker Oven could be the game changer your kitchen needs. Many home cooks rely on oven dials or guesswork, leading to uneven cooking. This thermometer delivers precise, instant readings on a large, easy-to-read LCD, giving you full control. Fast, accurate, and versatile for ovens, grills, and smokers, it's quicker and easier to read compared to analog models. Pros include large display, accurate, fast readings, and multi-use capability, while cons are that it requires batteries and careful probe handling. For confidence, consistency, and stress-free cooking, this is a smart, reliable choice for any home chef. On number 3 is OXOGood Grips Thermometer. Ever wonder why your cakes, roasts, or baked dishes never hit that perfect temperature? The OXOGood Grips Oven Thermometer might be the small tool that makes the biggest difference in your kitchen. Many home cooks rely on oven dials that are often inaccurate, resulting in overcooked or undercooked meals. This thermometer gives precise readings, letting you trust your oven and achieve perfect results every time. Sturdy stainless steel, easy-to-read dial, and smart silicone grip make it safe and reliable. Pros include durable, accurate, easy-to-read, and low maintenance, while the con is that the analog display can be slightly slower to respond than digital units. For confidence, peace of mind, and consistent results every cook, at number 2 is KitchenAid Range 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Ever wondered why your baked bread or roasted meats never hit the perfect temperature, even when following recipes exactly? The KitchenAid 3-inch style oven thermometer, 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, could finally solve that mystery. Oven dials are often inaccurate, leaving cooks frustrated with unevenly baked meals. This thermometer provides a wide temperature range and reliable readings, giving you confidence every time. Stainless steel body, clear dial, and compact design make it durable and easy to use. Pros include accurate, versatile, sturdy, and low-maintenance performance, while the con is that the dial response is slightly slower than instant treat thermometers. For precision, peace of mind, and consistent results, this is a smart, reliable kitchen companion. Now moving to the last one is TaylorPrecision Products Thermometer. Ever wondered why your baking or roasting never comes out perfectly, even when your oven says it's at the right temperature? The TaylorPrecision Products Large Dial Thermometer could be the solution you've been missing. Many home cooks rely on inaccurate oven dials, leading to undercooked or overdone meals. This thermometer offers precise, visible readings that remove the guesswork. Durable stainless steel construction, large easy-to-read dial, and wide temperature range make it simple, reliable, and maintenance-free, no batteries needed. Pros include accurate, sturdy, clear display, and low-maintenance performance, while the con is that it's slightly slower to react than instant-treat digital models. For confidence, precision, and stress-free results, this is a smart, reliable kitchen companion worth owning. After reviewing all options, the TempPro Large LCD digital cooking food meat thermometer stands out as the winner. Its fast, precise readings, large easy-to-read display, and versatility across ovens, grills, and smokers make it far more reliable than analog or smaller thermometers. Unlike others, it combines convenience, durability, and accuracy in one tool, giving you confidence and peace of mind in every cook. If you want consistent, stress-free results and the smartest choice for your kitchen, this is the thermometer to buy. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best rated oven thermometer 2026. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.